Today we're making a flouncy in 5 inches. We're gonna put it on a headband. So let's get started. I have my print here. It comes with the long strip, which is easy to make the knotted center if you like the knotted center. I'm gonna get my self-healing mat on the bottom, put my die in the middle, have my material on top. We're gonna make our little sandwich right here. And I have the Sizzix Big Shot Plus on my table, and we're gonna roll it through. This cuts it out for us. Perfect every single time. So here we have our faux leather already cut out for us. So we get started. So now that we have it like this, I like folding in half to mark the center to know where the middle is. So I kind of rub it here to mark the center. Like that. So there's my little line. I'm going to add glue to the little tabs. I'm using Sure Bonder fabric glue. I ran out of my other glue, but Sure Bonder fabric glue works really good too. So I have no issues with that Sure Bonder fabric glue. So we're putting it in here, adding glue to the tab, and putting it towards the center. So this is how the back looks like. This is how the front looks like. Now we're gonna get some goody rubber bands and we're gonna pinch. So if you're scared of pinching, rubber bands make the biggest difference. So I highly suggest you try and get with goody rubber bands. Okay, so once we have to here, we're gonna do our pinch. We're gonna go up, we're gonna hold, we're gonna go down, we're gonna hold, we're gonna go down, we're gonna hold, and then we're gonna end up going down at the end, and then we're gonna hold. So we have our pinches here. We're gonna grab our goody rubber band. I'm gonna use my middle finger to grab it. And I'm gonna wrap all the way around. Okay, then we're gonna go like this to make sure our rubber band is in the middle. Adjust our little thingies here, and we have it ready to go. So now let's do our knotted center. So our center looks like this. We're gonna make a knot like this. That is our knotted center. Now that we have that done, we're gonna figure out the placement of where we want the bow on the headband. So I kind of like it like this. So at an angle. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab, I have 1/4 inch gold grain ribbon. I already cut it and I already heat sealed it. I'm gonna add a dab of hot glue here. I'm going to put, so now we're gonna figure out the placement of the bow. So I decided I want it here. So I added some 1/4 inch gold grain ribbon, and I glued it right here. So now I know where I want my bow. So place my bow here. I'm gonna wrap this over a couple times to secure my bow on it. So I'm gonna wrap it. And then I kind of want it right here. So I'm going to make sure it's nice and snug. I'm gonna add the fabric glue right here, and I'm gonna end it. I also already heat sealed it, so this is why I'm not heat sealing it again, but the end of my 1/4 inch gold grain ribbon is already heat sealed. So now I have my bow, my flouncy on my headband. So now we can add our little center right here. So since I'm using fabric glue, I'm just gonna add fabric glue to the middle because this glue is really, really good. So there's the fabric glue. I'm gonna get my knotted center. I'm gonna stick it onto the center where I want it. Hold down for a couple seconds. And go this way. Go all the way around. Look how cute. Okay, we'll go this way. And we're gonna cut off something we don't need. So I'm gonna make this a little bit shorter. Cut that off. I'm gonna add a little bit fabric glue on my 1/4 inch gold grain ribbon. Okay, see that? Then I'm gonna put this one down, secure that very well. And then here, since I'm gonna go over again, I'm gonna cut off what I don't need to kind of make a straight line though. And right here, I'm gonna add a little bit BSI glue, just to be safe. Add some BSI glue. And I'm gonna add some Sure Bonder fabric glue over here. And then place it right on top. and then hold down for a couple seconds. So now our headband is done and she's looking super cute. And I used the Flouncy in 5 inches from mariatreto.com. Follow for more tutorials.